Alright guys, so we're gonna start by reassembling this block for the Subaru. And as you guys can see, we have both of the case halves right here. We also have the pistons, and we went ahead and installed all brand new rings, so that should be good. We also have a whole gasket kit over here from Subaru. We also have new pins because I know these sometimes fall out. We had bolts, main bolts, water pump, timing kit, and we have the old stuff right here and the wrist pins. We also got brand new main bearings. Went ahead and put brand new rod bearings, and everything is fine, perfect. Everything spins really nice. The crank is all good, polished, everything. So this is ready to get back in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and install all brand new main bearings, install the crank, and seal both of the case halves, and then install the main bolts. I guess bearings are all in, looking good. Just gotta finish putting the gaskets on, and I'm gonna seal it up. Actually, put the crank in first and then seal it up. Just a quick update. We got this side, the head is all on. The cams are all torqued down. Everything is torqued on this side. And this side, just want to show you guys the pistons. Everything is looking good. Brand new rings, everything. I've been just changing all the washers, O-rings, everything. Just trying to make sure everything is new. I'm gonna go ahead, install the new head gasket, install the head, torque it down, and we should be done with the full long block. These are the head. I sent them to the machine shop. I told them if it needs a resurface, just do that. If it doesn't, then just clean it. And they did really good. It looks really good. They cleaned everything, and the surface they said is flat. It should be fine. Here's the cams, everything. The parts are getting smaller and smaller every time, so we have two bins that are almost completely empty. We just have like the coolant overpipe, like old timing, the clutch, alternator. So we're basically done. Over here we have the intake manifold, the intercooler, the turbo, just small things on top. So I feel like we're ready to bring the car inside and install the engine after we install the clutch. And hopefully we throw the bumper back on. So let's keep going, and I'll give you guys an update shortly. Alright guys, so we mostly got everything assembled. Next we're gonna assemble the clutch. So this is basically a brand new clutch. It's barely used as an exit clutch. I believe it's the OEM clutch. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap these on, and then the engine should be ready to go back in the car. Alright guys, so we're gonna actually push this car inside, but before that we're gonna go ahead and give this a quick wash. If it doesn't start raining, but if it starts raining, we're just gonna put the engine and then wash everything. So I mean, it looks really good in here. The paint is really good in here. So I checked the throwout bearing. It seems like it's brand new, basically brand new. And yeah, everything looks really good. AC compressor, power steering pump. So I'm gonna push it inside, put the engine in, mount the engine, mount the accessories, and then we should be ready to start. Alright guys, so the engine is finally back in the car. We're gonna go ahead put all the accessories on so we can get ready to start the car. Hopefully everything is good. And yeah, kinda annoying because we did not take this car apart, so most of the bolts are missing, so we have to keep going to the parts store. We still have like 2 more bins to go full of parts and bolts, so let's keep going, get this both buckets empty out, guys. Alright guys, so a quick update. We went ahead and put mostly everything on, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been having issues with the hoses. They're all very old, brittle, and they just keep cracking and breaking, so they just like broke off, and it's just been so annoying trying to find all of these PCV hoses. But so far we're doing good, everything is looking good. Some of them I couldn't find the PCV hoses, so I just replaced them with just regular PCV hose with clamps, and it's holding very good, so that's really good. We just gotta put the intercooler on, the alternator, the radiator, and the belts, and this car should be ready to start. Alright guys, the cars are running. It does have a small exhaust leak, but I took it for a test drive. Car is very smooth, idles very nice. Very smooth, I like it. So we're gonna detail the car, clean it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this gauge. I don't know, it just keep coming off, so just gonna let it idle. Hopefully everything is good. Let me pop the hood for you guys. Very, very clean car. Other than it's dirty, but we did switch to OEM exhaust. We got rid of the Tomei. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the exhaust leak is right there. Alright guys, so I just did the final touches on this car. I went ahead and fixed the exhaust leak, did a fresh oil change, and now the car should be ready to go. So I'm gonna actually pull the car out and have my brother just cruise around, drive around in it, just to put mileage on the car and on the engine to make sure everything is 100%. I also did charge the AC, so it's all very cold AC, and the car is ready to go. So let's go ahead and take this car out and go for a spin. I really hate that sticker right there. Starts right up. AC kicking on, is very cold. I just fill up the tires with air, so hopefully that light will go away. But guys, such a nice car. Don't have no smoke, no nothing. drive?
That was good, to be honest.
It drives really smooth.
It's very smooth. You gotta get used to this clutch though.
It feels good. Would you own a Subaru?
Personally, no. When I drive it now, I don't really like the way they drive. I mean, it's smooth, but like they're clutching like that. I'd have to do a lot of upgrades, you know?
And for me, they don't feel like a sport car, you
They
know?
feel like an everyday car that you drive to work and home.
Yeah. You're getting used to it?
A little bit, but it's just still weird, like, it's so far and so light. Do you wash it or no? Take the wash?
What do you think about this Subaru?
It's a good rebuild. Evo Bills did it again.
Nah. I don't like Subarus. I hate Subarus. Give me Evos. Bring me Evos all day.
They look aggressive, but I wouldn't drive one every day.
Yeah. No.
Not for me.
It's not for power. It's not for nothing. I don't like them. But this one, I like it. I like the color. It looks nice.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
So, with all of that said, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace out.
Peace.